I'm Professor Philip Pecorino.
I'm Phil Pecorino, and this deals with ethics. The principle of natural law. Natural law theory, or approach to the definition of the good, the moral good, is used by the religions of the West. As the theory goes, that human action which is in accord with or supportive of the natural law is morally good. Human actions which are opposed to or violate the natural law are not morally correct. And what are the natural laws? Those are the laws of nature as determined by, in the view of the Western religions, a single deity. In that view, a religious version of natural law theory, the deity created the universe and created the laws within it. And so, those laws are thought to come from a deity who is the foundation of the principle of the good. All beings created by that deity have in them natural drives or instincts, and that which is supportive of those natural drives is supportive of the natural law. So actions in accord with support for the natural law are morally good. Humans are given reason by the deity to use in a manner that would discover what those laws are, and to understand conformity and support of those laws is the moral good. What moral laws then follow from natural law? Well, from natural law we can learn that the natural instincts of primates are that of all animals, and that it is to live, to survive, and to procreate. So the natural instinct, the drive, the natural law for humans would be to have sufficient materials, food and drink for survival, rest which is needed, and the act of procreation. Things which are done in accordance with that and supportive of that are morally good. To remove the means of sustenance from another, an act of theft, is morally incorrect because it violates the natural law. What is done to procreate and support new members of the species is in accord with natural law. In the Western religions, actions which help procreation, the institution of marriage which supports the children produced, are considered morally good. Actions that operate against the procreation of children, such as abortions, sterilizations, are not in keeping with the natural law. Natural law theory is what is most popularly used by the various religious traditions of the West: Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. There are some members, moral theologians, who might make some departure from it, but the basic approach in terms of those religious traditions is to use natural law as a foundation for determining which actions are morally correct and those that are not.